Hey there, I'm going to try to show you how to load this Beauty and the Beast rose prop using my little camera here. We'll see if this works. So if you look close, there are 4 petals and there are 4 tiny little wires that come out there. And you see how they are angled in their little tubes? You got the little tubes which are angled, and you got the little wires. Here, let me make the wires move, and you'll see the principle of how these work. So one wire goes down, that makes that petal fall, and the other one goes down. So they're moving wires. So what we want to do is take these rose petals, and you'll see that, for instance, this one is marked 12. See the 12? That goes at 12 o'clock up there. See the 12? And we put it in so that the little beveled part matches the little beveled part. Is this working? Yeah, this is working. I think this is a good illustration. All right. Well, that one flops around, but that's because it really wants the 9 o'clock petal. See the 9 there? The 9 o'clock petal goes in there. Let's see. Try to do this with one hand. Okay. So see how they sort of stay where they're aligned because of the beveling? The 9 o'clock one, and then here's the 6 o'clock one, which is sort of a little, this is the last one to go, sort of a little dead blossom, or a little dead bud. This is going to be a terrible video, but I'm just demonstrating here. And then that one goes there. Okay, so now you have not the prettiest rose, but at stage distances it's going to look fine. And then the way we work it is like this. Here's the controller. So first action, and I will write this down, first action is squeeze the trigger. There goes one. Second action, push the trigger. There goes another. Third action, roll this wheel counterclockwise, leaving the tiniest little thing there. And then final action, push this clockwise. And there goes the last one. And then the fifth action is, see this little switch down there? You throw this little switch and a bud comes back. What you can do with this bud is fluff it out a little bit before the show, and try to always store it in this extended position so that it comes up a little wider. So very gently, because they're just feathers, but you know, pull the little stems back a little bit just before you set the prop for the show. And then you push that same button, push that back. Come on. And it disappears. So that's your set. And then it's got all kinds of fun stuff inside here. It has a 6-volt lantern battery that should certainly last the run of your show. Your switch is at the very back, so that's when you know, that's how you know where the front and back of the device is. The switch is in the back. Of course, that's going to get wrapped up with a piece of marbled plastic, which you shouldn't need to take off unless something goes wrong. And then, yeah, I don't anticipate any problems. There's a possibility that these little wires might slip out of their place, so check that if a petal doesn't come off properly. The marbled wrapper is just taped on, so you can just peel that off. But it's been a pretty reliable prop. Call me anytime, 708-612-6252, if you have any problems. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye-bye.